everyone, my name is Avyukt. I'm a student of Sharp Brain Academy, and today I'm going to show you how to do questions mentally.
Okay, so Avyukt, let's calculate 15 numbers single digit mentally.
Okay.
Set 0, 5,
5,
2,
2,
3,
3,
6,
6,
9,
9,
7,
7,
minus 5,
minus 5,
minus 8,
minus 8,
5,
5,
minus 4,
minus 4,
4,
4,
1,
1,
4,
4,
5,
5,
7.
7,
Got?
41.
Excellent answer. Bravo. Very good. So now let's do another one, which is 2 digits. Let's do 2 digits, 10 rows, and do it mentally. Okay?
Okay.
Set 0, 12,
12,
14,
14,
15,
15,
23,
23,
minus 20,
minus 20,
12,
12,
minus 14,
minus 14,
15,
15,
23,
23.
20.
Okay, 20. Got 100.
Perfect. Bravo. Well done.